Are you using AI tools for academic research? If not, then my friend, don't let yourself down. So you need to use AI tool for academic research. AI tools, artificial intelligence tools like GenSpark or Claude, Gemini, and Napkin can do a lot of things for you. For example, you can use AI tools to generate a new topic for your research. As we researchers, we know sometimes it's not easy to determine research topics. But nowadays, with the AI tools, different tools available, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever, you can easily come up with the research topic. Also, these tools can help you to guide your research in terms of the designing the research tools, for example, whether it is a questionnaire or interview schedule for your project you are going to do. More than that, the AI tools also can guide you how you can analyze your data. If you use these tools like a questionnaire, for example, survey questionnaire, and or you have already the research questions or the research hypothesis, if you ask the AI tools like a ChatGPT or Claude, for example, they can guide you how you can analyze the data collected for these research questions or research hypothesis. They can guide you step by steps, whether you need the descriptive analysis or you need correlational research analysis, for example, or regression analysis, and so on. What you need to do also to determine the validity and reliability of your research tools. You can use also AI tools for literature review. There are many tools nowadays. You can use them first to discover and identify the available tools for your topics. What are the research has been done? And these AI tools can generate a very good table for you with the arrangement of the previous study in the table, so you can see all the details. Like the first study was published in 1999, for example. The following study, 1920, and like that. So you with that you can save a lot of time and a lot of effort as well. Let us move on. You can use AI tools, my friend, nowadays also to analyze your data. It gives you the analysis that it is like written by a human being. So try this tool. Try to save your time. Try to save more effort, and you can spend those time and effort on other things, right? So the AI tools can have data analysis for a large data set and give you a good product as well. So where there are a lot of advantage for using the AI tools in your research, but at the same time, do not forget about some drawbacks in using the AI tool. Do not forget, for example, to double check anything you get from these tools. Double check for potential errors that might occur from the document, from the report you are getting from AI tools. Also, there is, because of algorithm, there might be biasness in some report, so you have to be careful about that. And check for any missing information, any missing data sometimes, and or also misinterpretation as well. Sometimes, yes, these AI tools can misinterpret the information, the meaning. sometimes they don't understand what we are asking for. So sometimes they may give you wrong information, false information. So you need to do your homework. You need to double check everything. Although these tools are there to support you, to help you to improve your research productivity, to enhance your research productivities, and to help you to perform more and more, of course. But at the same time, you have to be careful, right? You need to double check everything you are getting from AI tools, but you don't need to to ignore them. You cannot ignore them, I would say. You cannot ignore these tools nowadays in your scientific research. As far as concerned with the publication, yes, publishers, they are asking you if you have used any AI tool, for example, in your research, a large language tool, they call it. So you need to acknowledge. And this happen if there is really a significant impact of this tool on your research. Otherwise, like paraphrasing your own ideas, or correcting the typing and grammatical mistake by using this tool. So you don't need to mention that you use AI tool in that situation. But if you generate the new ideas by using these tools and incorporate it in your research, here, yes, you need to acknowledge, because you take, you are taking the idea from the AI tool, so the ideas are not your ideas. So here, yes, you will have to acknowledge as well. So read more about this, of course, especially if you are going to publish your paper, but you need to use AI tools in your research. It's a time, you need to know more about the different tools, how you can use them, what are different you need if you are doing research here and there. So that will really help you to improve your research and productivity and enhance your research. Thank you so much. All the best.